These are the main components: the guide plate, separator plates, green rubber roller, and clear guard. First, install the guide plate with the smaller end facing forward. Fit it onto the two retaining clips inside the machine and make sure it is seated securely. To install the separator assembly, lift the guide plate slightly. Loosen the adjustment knob on the right-hand side. Position the separator with its longer end toward the right, then secure it in place. Next, install the rubber roller. Align the locating holes on the left with the locating pins on the machine, insert the roller, and tighten the large knob on the right. The main components are now installed. Now let's see how to set up the machine for removing tablets from blister packs. Place one separator plate on each outer side and one between each blister row. This 3-row pack requires 4 separator plates to apply even pressure. Adjust each plate carefully and check the alignment by eye before running the machine. If a separator is not aligned with the gap between rows, it may damage the blister pack. After adjustment, tighten the small knob on the right to hold the separator plates securely against the roller. Before starting the machine, push the rear guide plate forward so it rests above the blister pack. This guides the blister pack smoothly through the machine. Now let's test the machine. The tablets are removed cleanly from the blister pack.